What?
Sophie, ask Daddy, ask Daddy.
Where is your what? Your glasses? Look oh. Look oh, Sophie oh.
Balloon.
Oh, balloon oh. Nahihiya siya. Sophie oh. Oh. Are you
stressed? Is that anxiety attack?
Yeah. Yeah, she seems stressed.
I think what
Are you shy?
Are you shy?
They gave you balloon. You know, Sophie is like prepared for the beach trip or something.
So, nag-breakfast muna kami ni Bika mga pre dito sa Jollibee.
First time eating Jollibee breakfast. Actually. Really, it's my first time.
Really, hindi ka ba nakakasama?
No, I really didn't went to Jollibee and eat talaga in
Why are you
Jollibee.
feeding them?
It was sweet Sophie. And I didn't know their pancakes are yummy.
Ayan. Kasi habang inaantay namin yung sundo namin, dito muna kami. Dapat kasi diretso kami Kalimama, kaya lang.
We're late.
Oo, alam kasi namin nandito na sila para hindi sila, kasi ano lang naman along the way. Earpiece. Pero si Sophie, nag-breakfast na to kaninang umaga. Ayun, kanina bago kami umalis, kami lang talaga ni Bika, kaya lang nakikikain ulit.
I actually don't want her to eat the fries.
Naglalakad lang kami mga pre kasi nalagpasan kami, nakakalimutan kami na...
Oh, you got forgotten?
Yeah. Nakalimutan na hinihintay namin sila.
Oh, I remember we always go here when we live here.
Ayan. Lagi. Diretso ka. Ayan. Dito tayo lagi lumalakad dati, di ba?
When we go groceries,
Yeah.
then we go to Pasilan. That's so nice.
Ayun yung yung van.
Maybe we're not important, that's why we got forgotten.
Ewan ko sa kanila, ba't nakalimutan nila? Kalimutan pala kami. Let's go, Yos! Musta?
Yari ka kay Mami Arnie.
Ayan, si Mama kasama namin, sila Kyle nandyan sa likod. Tapos, ayan si JM, binsang ko. Saan tayo ngayon?
Sa ano daw? Sa...
O, ikaw na bahala ha. Basta kami, sasama lang kami. Tanay tayo, tanay.
Marami tayong makikita kamote riders ngayon.
What? Oo nga, kamote. Maraming kamote ngayon doon.
Kasi Sunday.
Pag Sunday, maraming kamote. Yun nga, sinasabi nila, marami daw kamote pag Sunday kasi.
That's what my paranoid.
Bakit?
No, di ba scared?
Hindi, alam ni Julius yan. Kabisado mo, Yus, no? Yung mga kamote.
Humihila yan dun eh. Kamote rin yan dun.
Kamote rin ba yan doon? Tignan nyo mga pre.
Slow.
Si Bika naka-ready na. Kasi sumusuka si Sophie. Nandiyan yung trash bag. Tapos, ganyan na. Natuto na kami. Pero, hindi naman yan eh. Kasi mabilis lang naman ang biyahe natin eh.
Mainit sa labas.
Oo. Hindi.
A few inches later.
Kamusta siya?
No, she is like, like that, so I don't know. Mas panicking.
Sumuka na.
No, she's like, I don't know.
Nahihilo na siguro.
No, they don't lie.
Why?
Kasi so much stress.
So hindi pa talaga. Mukhang mahirapan tayo lagi bumiyahe.
You need to
Kapag
have
ganyan.
all this. You cannot sit like and relax.
Stop over muna tayo mga pre. Nasaan ba to?
Sa buso-buso.
Bosa-bosa banda no? Si Bika hindi muna ba kasi sakto na
Pa?
nakatulog si Sophie. So maganda rin yan. Oo kasi baka mamaya magsuka eh. Halos nagsusuka na, hindi pa nagsuka si Sophie no? Muntik pa lang. Pero nakatulog na eh, kaya ayaw niya munang umalis, ha?
Sabi niya kuya, pag nasusuka siya.
Hindi, mararamdaman mo sa kanya.
Na parang
Yayakap siya kay Bika. Tapos yun, susuka na yun. Ano binili niyo, M? Tubig?
Tubig lang natin.
Tubig din? Oo. Ano to, no brand?
2 hours later.
Are you gonna vomit?
Yeah.
I'm the one that's so nahihiloin, but why are you like that?
Bebe, ginawa ko yung hilo mo. Sobrang nakakahilo talaga. Nahihilo ako kapag hindi ko alam kung saan yung pupuntahan.
Baka inisip ka.
Medyo. Nandito
But
kami
you can
ngayon.
vomit. The view is so pretty.
Kaya ang ganda ng view. Kaya mas maganda yung view dito.
Uh-huh. No, stand up na. Let's go for
Wait lang kasi.
adventure.
O sige, siguro pag naglakad ako mawala hilo ko.
Yeah, you need to walk and enjoy the view kasi.
Yan, dito, lakad ka. Tingnan natin.
So, I don't even know where are we. Rizal?
Hindi ko rin alam kung nasan tayo, pero ang alam ko
Why are
nasa...
they following us? I don't have food, I
Pagkain.
told you.
Tingin ko, basta nasa Tanay kami, mga pre. At alam ko, bago to, bagong place to. Chapel to eh, parang Regina Rica rin. Si
So,
Mama
we went
Mering
to-
malaki doon.
Honey, tell her I don't have food.
Bantay yan.
I don't have.
Huwag kang mag-alala, bantay yan para di tayo mapahamak. Let's sit.
Oh, there is a swing.
Kung hinahanap niyo si Sobi, mga pre, wala si Sobi dito.
Wow, nice. See it. Look.
Ay,
You can also hear their mass here.
oo nga. May mas sakto, may mas.
So while swinging, you can listen to the mass. And look at the beautiful view. I mean, it's worth it to go so far for the view.
Yeah,
Maybe.
for the view, maganda dito mga pre, tahimik, kasi chapel. And may mga nagpipiknik dito. At tingin ko bagong lugar lang talaga to. Di ko pa alam yung pangalan pero ilalagay na lang namin dyan sa comment section kung saan tong lugar na to.
Something Tanay Rizal.
Kasi nakita ko siya sa post din. Kaya pala halos lahat ng sinasabi nila, ang ganda raw magpunta dito. Parang Regina Rica, hindi matao and napaka solemn and tahimik ng lugar.
Or we will go somewhere more.
We will still
Because
go.
if we went just for this, for here, and all this stress from Sobi not getting vomit,
Mula Masinag sa amin, bandang Marikina, nasa 2 oras din ang biyahe.
sabi mo kasi 1 hour lang.
Kala ko 1 hour. Ito mga pre, yung view dito, napakaganda. Ibang-iba talaga siya sa video siguro, saka sa personal. Kala mo painting sa personal. No, honey?
Kasi after you're in Manila, all those city buildings
Sabagay,
you see.
walang ganito.
When you see this, it's refreshing. Like, put it, like that.
Oo, sa bagay, yun nga rin. Kaya siguro nakaka-relax. Green na green, di ba?
No people kasi.
Oh, walang tao.
Because that's where human belongs, in nature. That's where we thrive.
That's wisdom. Yan ako na lang mag-vlog. Oh, okay ka lang?
You're not taking care of me. Kasi
Women.
Ba't ako sinisi mo?
you are fault, you're not watching me.
Ikaw naglalakad, ako sinisi.
That's it, honey. Look, there is this. Oh, tingnan mo.
Ganda ng simbahan dito.
This is a... Actually, when I came here, I thought it's a kainan.
Real, akala ko nga rin restaurant
yeah, it
to
doesn't
eh.
look like a simbahan.
Magic.
Where's Gus's?
Ito mga pre, yung parang Regina Rica dito, yung malaking Mama Mary. Yeah.
So, how are you not tired? I'm tired.
Sino si Sabi?
No.
Ganun-ganun lang siya, pawis.
Oo, Sabi.
Pawis lang daw siya, pawis.
Pawis ka lang?
You have pawis? Okay.
Kaya sabi niya,
I see.
Me also. You 10 minutes and me 10 minutes after you.
Palunod. Oo!
I keep falling. You're not telling me.
Nga naman,
Kasalanan mo yan.
Oh. Eh mga pre, oh.
Oh,
Laki, oh.
that's Mama Mary. So big.
Yeah.
It's so hard for me to go when I don't have any plan.
Wala tayong plano talaga. Nakabase tayo sa kung saan sila pupunta.
Hindi kasi may baby ako, that's why.
Ah.
Like, I'm so stressed on that.
Oh, may pagkain. Oh, oh buko juice daw.
I don't know.
you don't like.
Ah, sige, I want.
Sige,
This one?
tara buko juice tayo.
Buko fresh. Fresh buko?
Yes.
Ah, fresh buko. Magkano yan? Ah, sige, thank you. Sobe, look what I have.
Look, sabi.
May yellow lang. Just try. Wow! Yummy? Mm-hmm. Cool.
Honey, extra rice. Extra rice? You want extra rice?
I don't know you.
Yan, extra rice. Isa kutsara lang. Ha? Ikaw, gusto mo extra rice? Extra na isa. Maybe, do you want extra rice? No. Okay, how about mommy? Do you need? No.
A few inches later.
Extra rice. Direct po tayo. Yung yung foreigner dyan, baka gusto ng rice.
Mandiskarte ka sir ha, may kinikinom kayo ha.
Di ba? O, ito. Okay, bagong-bago. Bagong saing to. Extra rice. Ito yung foreigner. Lapitan uli natin. Ma'am, extra rice, ma'am. It's bago, bagong luto, bagong saing. Dinit, oh, smell, bago yan. Oh, di ba? You don't want, ma'am? Ikaw na lang kaya mag-alok. Alokin mo. Pag kasi, oo nga, pag kasi ano, oo. Subukan mo. Kasi foreigner yung nag-alok, imported na rin yung rice. Try mo.
No, it's a scam.
Ha?
It's a scam.
Ano scam?
It's not important.
Imported eh, kung may hawak. Mga pre, si Bika, stress na dito. Hindi ka sanay ng spontaneous, no? Hindi.
No.
Kasi bumaba kami dito. Saan nga ba to? Ano pangalan nito? Pupot bukal. Kaya lang di raw maganda.
Chocolate daw.
Chocolate daw yung tubig. Kaya magdadara na kami kasi katabi lang
Where is
naman.
this Darana?
Malapit lang kanina.
Daranak is more sharp.
Let's go. It's Daranak Falls. Let's go. Kasi gusto...
Lobatin si Bika.
I'm not sanay on this stuff.
Ang mission natin ngayon, lobatin si Bika.
What is Lobot?
Lobat. No energy.
I'm already no energy.
Nag-resort na lang kami kasi parang umulan tapos yung mga magkakalapit na falls, medyo maruming tubig.
Ayaw. Oh, babay na.
Hindi namin alam kung saan kami papunta ngayon
Oh my God, honey, what is this?
Taniman tayo ngayon dito.
Are we gonna swim in this empty house? Dinosaur?
Kaya tayo papunta. Parang wala ako nakikitang swimming pool dito
I don't know. What is that? Rice field? Is this rice?
Yeah, it's rice field.
So what? We will swim with rice? Yeah. Oh, honey, look, it's so nice view.
What?
Airplane.
It's so nice. Looks like we are somewhere in the field. Oh my God, I think already like 300 lamok got me. What? Oh, lamok.
Kaya tayo papunta.
I'm really not prepared for these adventures like that.
Kasi
This is
nagkataon
hard
mga
for
pre
me.
talagang kasama namin ngayon talaga.
You just whole
Mga
family.
spontaneous na mga tao.
Yeah. And it's like, okay, go here, go there. Oh my God, already 3 days is surrounded. Need to go
At
to...
least ano ka na, tawag dito, na-practice ka na sa akin. Kasi si Bika yung tao na gusto niya.
Everything is
prepared.
planned.
Lahat
Everything,
naka-plan.
to the point, to A, to B, to D, to everything. Everything planned.
Right.
Even the backup plans there is already.
Eh,
Pero like that, spontaneous.
At least sa akin nasanay ka na spontaneous
Because
din, di
Eugene
ba?
also spontaneous. Where are we going? It's really just a field of rice. This is just a field of rice. And wow, the view is so pretty, pala. Oh, there is even a goat. Where will we swim with the goat?
May,
Look, mommy's a goat.
It's a goat. I don't know why it's the... Yeah. Ayan, the swimming. This one is actually empty. They are refilling it or something. So we went that far just for this kiddie pool.
Hindi, ano lang to, mura lang kasi to, 150 lang entrance dito.
Well, yeah, because
Saka kilala kasi ng pinsang ko to, kaya dito kami napadaan. Lagi silang nandito.
the view is nice kasi.
Tita Mika daw, tawag ka. So,
You will swim?
later. Yeah, Desalito. Sayang naman, hindi na tayo eh.
You know, I'm already zero. I feel like someone bugbog me. Like, I'm so not good with this.
Nasanay ka sa Pilipino, ganyan ang Pilipino, lagi may energy. Kaya nga sanay ang Pilipino kapag may party, may event, talagang simula umagang madaling araw yan.
But we don't have any party.
Meron, ito, we are
What
making party. Kahit walang okasyon, we are the ones making the party.
Ay, naku.
Hop, hop. Ayan.
The driver,
So,
the
mga
driver.
pre, saktong-sakto to kasi pinupuno pa lang yung tubig.
Yeah,
Kaya
and it's
pwedeng
like
pwede
a-
sa mga bata yan, no?
Like a kiddie pool.
Naging kiddie pool. Nagtatampisaw lang kami. Pag umangat na yung tubig, tanggalin na namin si Sobi.
Yeah. No, we will tanggal her na. She's already wet.
Say hi to them.
Hi. Hi,
Did
mga
you
pre.
enjoy this day, this journey today? Yeah?
Do you like swimming?
Do you like it? Uy, teka lang. Namamasa siya.
I don't want.
O sobrang na-enjoy talaga. Hindi lang namin na-videoan kanina. Sobrang enjoy na
Yeah,
enjoy talaga.
but she said, I don't want, until eventually now she's there and she don't want to go.
Ayan.
Okay na, Sophie. Let's go na. Enough na.
Let's go na.
Then let's go now, okay?
Let's go na. Okay na.
Okay, let's
Want to
go
change
na.
na? Okay.
Tara.
Change ka na?
Yes.
Okay, tara na.
Okay, I will bring you to Wawa.
Let's go.
Okay.
So, yun lang mga pre. Kami naman susunod na maliligo. Kasi ang kinaganda nito, ang hawak na muna niyan, si Mama. Tapos kami ni Bika, mag-enjoy muna kami.
Good day.
Let's go.